Talent development teams are facing a major challenge. The learning cluster design model offers a new way to design learning that actually drives on the job change. In an AI accelerated world, the traditional work of learning and development, creating and organizing content, is becoming easier to automate. But the strategic work of aligning learning to real business outcomes is more valuable than ever. To stay relevant, our field must evolve our skills from single content and program creation to learning strategy. The Owens-Kadakia Learning Cluster Design Model is a method for designing multi-asset learning strategies. The biggest myth we know in L&D, but we don't say out loud, is that capability can be built in a single course. Instead of relying on a single course, the LCD model guides teams to surround learners with meaningful learning assets across the flow of work. Instead of a class, e-learning, video, or blended learning program, we deliver a learning cluster. A learning cluster is a group of learning assets across ways, times, and places, both in and out of the flow of the work. These assets are customized and designed together to help distinct and impactful learner personas embed behavior on the job that supports a business goal. In the LCD model, we guide the design through 5 key actions. The change action defines a new target on the job behavior we want to see. In the learn action, we develop personas that inform meaningful strategy design. In the upgrade action, we assess the reuse potential of existing learning assets. In the surround action, we arrive at the heart of the model. We walk through a data-driven approach to select the multiple assets across the flow of work that will make up the learning cluster. And then in the track action, we measure the combined impact of all the assets in the cluster on the job where it counts. Each of these actions introduces a never-before-seen concept and method in our field of talent development. Together, they create an innovative impact to performance. Let's break down an example. Here, an organization wanted to build new manager skills. Because we applied the change action, we were able to come up with a clear on-the-job change objective. We identified clear results expected by the business, and we learned that the key was for aspiring managers to apply these skills before they were even promoted. By applying the learn action, we prevented treating all aspiring managers the same. We considered the unique content and methods from 3 different perspectives: self-selected Sandy, recommended Robin, and mid-career Matt. Taking all the findings into account, including looking at existing new manager programming, we formed a customized learning cluster, including learning assets across social touchpoints, immediate 24/7 accessible touchpoints, and our usual formal learning touchpoints. Now, with these multiple intentional assets spread across ways, times, and places learning is most likely to occur for our learner personas, we have greater confidence that our learning initiative will change on the job behavior. Learning clusters work because they support people in all the places where learning actually happens, not just in a formal course. Learning clusters support people at the moment of need. They work because they support all your diverse learners. Learning clusters provide multiple ways and unique content to build capability based on individual needs, and they connect directly to measurable business outcomes. Learning clusters work because from the outset, they are targeted to specific clear business needs and desired results. When learning organizations implement learning clusters, they gain real evidence that behavior has changed on the job. And just with that impact, this shifts learning's role from order taker and cost center to strategic partner and competitive advantage. Across industries, learning teams all over the world are already using learning cluster design to solve real capability challenges. Learning cluster design helps organizations move from training people to building capability that changes the business. The LCD practicum teaches learning professionals how to apply the model to real business challenges and design learning clusters that drive on-the-job change. If you're ready to move beyond courses and start designing learning that truly drives performance, explore the learning cluster design practicum and become certified in the LCD model.